everybody, welcome back to this episode of Drunken Sailor. We've taken a week or two off because we were on vacation. We went down to Florida where it's nice and sunny. Well, we're back in Syracuse and guess what? It's nice, warm, and sunny, and Memorial Weekend is coming up. Second day over 80 degrees, and guess what? It's time for something tropical. So, tropical, we'll make it tasty, and it's gonna be pretty. We're gonna make a layered drink, and today's drink is called Tropical Paradise. So we do this in several steps. The first step is a pineapple rum layer, and we're going to start with 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So that's going to go into a glass. And then we're going to take 2 ounces
Must be one of those feral
of
cats.
coconut rum. We're going to give that a real quick stir to mix it up a little bit. And put it aside. That's our white layer. The next layer that we're going to work on is our blue layer. And to do that, we're going to take some Blue Curacao, and we're going to use about a 1/4 ounce there. That goes into the glass. And then we're going to take 1 ounce of water and put that in there. What this does is this reduces the density on the curacao, so it's going to float for us. We'll give that a little quick mix up. And then we're going to make and start with our Tom Collins glass. You can use a hurricane glass, you can use a Tom Collins glass. And we're going to put 1 ounce of Grenadine in there. That goes right into the glass. It goes right onto the bottom. It's a nice heavy syrup, so it stays there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fill this with crushed ice. All right. And now, next comes the mixing of the white layer. Now, 2 reasons for the crushed ice. 1, it's going to cool it down, and 2, it's going to slow down the mixture going in there. So you're going to pour nice and slow, and that's going to help us maintain our layers. So now as you can see, we've got red, we've got white, and then finally our blue layer. Once again, nice and slow over the top of the crushed ice. If you pour too fast, it's going to mix in there, and you can see red, white, and blue. This looks really nice, but it can't really be a tropical drink unless we get our umbrella. So we're going to take an orange wheel, toss an umbrella in there, and then let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I guess we need to put a straw in there, and let's see how it tastes. Kim, you give me your opinion. What do you think? Oh, isn't she looking tropical?
Perfect. I could drink that all day.
All right. Well, I guess I better take a taste too. Man, that is tropical. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a taste. Remember to drink responsibly. And if you like it, subscribe to Drunken Sailor. Have a good day, everyone.